Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming precisely which platform you have, Android or iOS, and the OS version, because controls differ. Next, make a quick backup or set a restore point so you can revert if needed. Then open Settings and go straight to Display or Developer options. You will locate navigation or gesture controls. Once there, prepare to disable the on-screen back key by switching to Gestures or toggling the back button option off, and keep an eye on permission prompts. You now perform the change that removes the back button. Open Navigation Settings and choose between Buttons, Gestures, or Accessibility. Gestures replace the back button, while a toggle may simply hide it. If the option is grayed out, check Developer Options for related flags or inspect a custom launcher and OEM skin settings. Make the switch, then test by navigating Apps and Home. Once done, confirm system gestures work reliably, and note any apps that depend on a physical back key. You finish by verifying behavior across multiple apps and screens. Gestures should consistently perform the back action. If an app misbehaves, re-enable the back button temporarily or restore your saved settings to isolate the issue. Make sure to clear the system cache and update firmware or affected apps if problems persist, because outdated software often causes input conflicts. If nothing works, factory reset only after backing up data. This typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.